Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know you people are looking at my Simbi store. Yes, it's actually my lockdown here. I've been at home for like a week now and I didn't want to do all this detangling stuff. So I just have this one. So a quick one on my channel. My channel is actually about natural hair. Yes, my hair is natural hair. Yeah. So it's actually about natural hair, DIY, food, lifestyle, and many more. I post new videos every week, like every week you're expecting a new video either from hair product, how I take care of my hair, how to take care of natural hair, or food, DIY, how to do things yourself, do it yourself. You're expecting any all those kind of video from me. So you don't want to miss this for any reason. All you have to do is just hit that red button you're seeing down there and subscribe to my channel so that you can be part of this family. And to all my subscribers, you guys are amazing. What would I do without you guys? Thank you very much. May God bless each and every one of you. Thank you very much as you subscribe, as you watch, as you like, as you share, as you comment. Because when you comment, I'll know what you want. Tell me the kind of videos you're expecting, the one you like more, and you'll surely get it from me. Thank you very much. Stay safe. Wash your hands. Wash your hands regularly. Use hand sanitizer. If you don't have any important thing you're doing outside, please stay at home. Okay? Thank you.